What's up, guys? Sean here from Junie. Today I'm coming at you with my Clix keyboard unboxing. This is I think it's the red outside, black inside. Now I've been waiting for this package to come in since early March. It was on back order, so of course I gotta wait for it to be available. But just now getting it. Today's May 17, 2021. Been waiting since early March 2021. I was supposed to get this package 2 weeks ago, but it was trouble with the shipping and stuff. Nothing on Matrix. Their customer service is very responsive and they helped me out a lot. So thank you to Matrix again for that. Rest assured me and shit. But yeah, I've been waiting for this damn keyboard to come in, man. I cannot wait to use this keyboard. I'm gonna show you me unboxing, of course, and how it looks when it's set up, and I'm gonna change the colors on it and all that with that Matrix app. So I'm gonna show you my previous keyboard. This is my previous keyboard. Don't mind the dust. This is going in the closet anyway. Probably give it to my son. That's the first keyboard or something. It's a little dusty, but I only got it because of lights. It's pretty cheap. It's like 100 something, probably 80. I don't know how much it was. But yeah, look how big this keyboard is. This one's way smaller, so I can't wait to use that. So I'm gonna get right into this unboxing. All right, I switched the camera angle so you guys have a better view of the keyboard. Don't mind a little dust. Still cleaning up, spring cleaning. But I put the ring sticker on here so it could cover the barcode for the shipping. Didn't want nobody visiting me. I tried to I put in a cut right here. Let me see. Right into this unboxing. Can't wait to use this keyboard. I'm not a gamer, I'm not a PC gamer. One day I would like to, once I get a better PC. This would be good to have. Oh shit, that cut, damn. Is there anybody around here? Alright. See that? Yeah, got a nice little black box in there, man. What's this? This is, I got a code, 15% off. Good thing I didn't show that on camera. I took my damn code. Look at this. New Clix black box. This is clean, man. Not literally, but the all black with the gold. That's nice packaging. 61 keys, USB, brown red. Switch brown red. Alright. I'm not trying to ruin this. I can see the red already. Look at this, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Just shining. Take my baby out right there. Real quick. Oh, that's clean. We got a little bag in here. What's this? Oh, that's not no bag. Guess it's the key thing where you take the keys out, switch the keys. This the power cable, I'm guessing. Damn, this is clean, man. Look at this. Hopefully it focused. This is clean. Let me put that aside. Man, look at that. That is beautiful, man. I gotta clean this keyboard daily. Right into this. That's the side. Look at that. Got the clicky little sound test. Yeah, that's clean. You can switch out the keys. That's the power thing right there. Small, nice and small. Pause. Compared to my other keyboard, I already wrapped it up, man. It's time to go. Compared to my other keyboard, look how big this one is. This is a nice, clean keyboard from Matrix. This is why they always out of stock. I'm gonna switch the angle again. Show you what it is when it's hooked up. Alright, this is how it looks set up. Plugged into the computer. You know what I mean? You got the Clix little signature right there. The lights pulsating. It's real clean, man. I don't have the best setup, but this keyboard really makes it look better. I want to put my own custom RGB, you know what I mean, like lights. I don't want to post anything like this, but I opened the Matrix app and I don't know, it's not working for me. If you know how to use this app, just let me know in the comments. It'd be very helpful and appreciated. Give it a nice little sound test for people that's interested in this. I know I did an unboxing, but real clean, man. Real clean, nice and small, more space compared to this. This was taking too much space on my desk. I'm gonna recycle this one just in case. This keyboard also came with something to pick the keys up with, I think. Yeah, real nice, real clean, man. Shout out to Clix if he designed this. This is a great. I love red and black, man. Any way you put it, it could be red inside and black outside. It's always gonna look good. And I love that the wire is red and black. That's a real little touch, you know what I mean, little detail that they added to the keyboard. But yeah, it was a little unboxing, a little setup. Well, like me showing how it looks. I recommend this keyboard if you could get it. I think it's out of stock right now, but if you can order it, it's gonna be like a back order for like a month or something. But it's worth it, man. It's worth the wait. The anticipation was killing me. Finally got it. So happy. But yeah, it's a little quick video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. Tell me what kind of keyboard you got, what kind of, if it's Razer, Matrix, tell me what kind you got in the comments. And if you know how to use this app, let me know. But until next time, peace.